In this video, you'll learn how to undo actions in Notion. This guide will walk you through the steps needed to reverse deletions or changes made within your workspace. Understanding how to undo actions can help you recover important information quickly. Begin by navigating to the Notion website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL, quote, notion.so, quote, in the address bar. Once the page loads, you should see the Notion homepage, which features a clean interface with options to sign in or create an account. If prompted, enter your login credentials to access your Notion workspace. After signing in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard where all your pages and databases are displayed. To proceed, select the specific page where you want to undo an action. Next, locate the area of the page where you made recent changes. If you need to undo a deletion, find the section that was affected. Once you identify the item, look for the 6 dots, which represent the options menu for that block. Click on these 6 dots to reveal additional actions related to that block. After accessing the options menu, find and click on the delete option. A confirmation message will appear asking if you are sure you want to delete the selected block. This is an important moment to confirm your decision, as deleting content may be irreversible if not undone promptly. If you proceed with the deletion, you will see a prompt that states delete database. This message indicates the action you are about to take. After confirming, another prompt will appear warning you that all pages will be deleted. At this stage, you should carefully consider if you want to continue with the deletion. Once you confirm the final deletion by clicking delete, the content will be removed from your workspace. However, if you realize that you made a mistake, you can quickly undo this action. Press Ctrl and Z simultaneously on your keyboard to reverse the deletion. This keyboard shortcut is a universal command for undoing actions. Alternatively, if you prefer using the interface, you can click on the 3 dots in the upper right corner of the screen. This will reveal a drop-down menu where you can select the undo option. Choosing this will also revert the last action taken, bringing back the deleted content. That wraps up today's guide on how to undo actions in Notion. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.